Welcome back to Kelvin and Friends Cook Up. Today we're in Scarborough. Yeah man, and we're here to check out this restaurant. We're talking about Is Rite. You know, name Is Rite, so you know say in the kitchen you must have the right spice. If you haven't subscribed yet, go and subscribe because you don't want to miss this one. Alright? So just follow me and let's go and see what they're cooking up in the kitchen. So Scarborough, we're in your town.
We get our time straight from the farm.
Straight from the farm?
Yes, when they come down, we just wash them in there. So.
Yes. You wash it well?
Yes, man.
Good.
Wash them, yeah. Circle them out. Straight from the farm, we get our time.
Yes.
Most of the vegetables there.
You get it from the farm?
Straight from the farm. But now.
We're at Is Rite. Yeah man, out there so with Dave. He's the owner. And that's I'll give you a little story of how him start up with the business and how long it open. Go on Dave.
Everything good enough, my brother.
Alright. Yeah man. So how long you been here now? Is Rite.
Is Rite.
Yes.
They're around say 17 years now.
17 years?
Yes man.
Yeah. Man, at this location right here.
At this location.
Okay.
Looking to expand out soon, very soon. You know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So where you get this name? Is Rite.
Is Rite.
Yeah.
You know, we love the Price is Right, you know?
Yes.
We used to watch it on TV as a little youth, you know?
Right.
Saying, so we come up with the idea, say, alright, Spice is Right.
True.
Saying, everything I go right.
True.
Yeah, man. So that's how we really come about the name.
Yeah.
Saying, and the flavor and everything, you know, it's just right, you know? So we just put two things up on it. Saying, and from there, so it just took off, you know?
Right.
Yeah, man.
Nice. So right now you get your ackee and saltfish, vegetables.
Yeah.
Yeah, and your vegetables now?
Yes.
Some black pepper. So you add the onion to it now.
Yes, it's an onion.
Nice. Oh yeah, add the ackee now.
Yes, adding the ackee.
Nice.
And then you give a little time to go and jiggle down. You see me?
Yeah.
And be sitting this, you know, man.
See this, guys? Some green banana here, some ripe plantain. Alright, so how auntie work? She wash our green banana them. See? See? She doing her, what you doing now, auntie?
Cooking the banana for the breakfast.
Ah.
So we cook our banana in the skin.
Yes. So it give it a different flavor. It give it
Yes,
a
man.
flavor.
Get keeping all the iron in it.
Oh.
All the iron keeping in it. And then when you cook now, you have to see when it cook away. Take it out of the skin.
Yes. So you know, so breakfast I get ready now, eh? Yes, you have to rinse it off. Make sure it's well washed.
Yes, man. I have to wash everything. And watch it now. So now when it cook this, it's not cook, putting dumpling in that. So you see that now?
Yes.
When the banana water well clean and white, you know, black. You know that black rusty look?
Yes.
When the saltfish is there, and then we go on the saltfish to cook our ackee.
Okay.
So I make dumpling to put in the pot because I make my dough for overnight and put it set. I'm going to make the dumpling from a pot.
Let me see if I make like a dumpling, you know, because a lot of people don't know how to make dumpling, you know.
Yes. You put a little oil in the pot to when the banana pot. See the water get white?
Yes.
Ah, when the banana cook now, the banana water no black and the banana no musty up and have that bubble color, you see?
Yes.
Right. When we're cooking the banana, we have one little piece of fish tail.
Fish tail?
Yes, or one little piece of mackerel to put in the pot. That's the front of the pot, that's the banana. Water.
Don't come black.
Ah, and the banana no look ugly and
Yes.
see that some enough to see.
Alright.
Rice and peas, pot comb.
What?
Thyme.
Thyme. See
Pepper
that?
comb, green pepper.
Green pepper. See? She add her thyme and her green pepper. So right now you have the scallion.
Throw them apart. I'm put in the wall and cut them up.
Cut them out.
Yes, like this. Put up my scallion. Put up the scallion. Throw
Yes.
it in the pot.
Yes. That's for her rice and peas. So right now she boiling up the red peas. You have here some garlic and
Yes.
ginger. Aye.
Rice and peas.
Yeah, she just add her garlic, ginger, scallion and thyme and hot pepper. Alright. And this is the red peas. Then I add some coconut milk.
Yes, this is the place coconut bars.
Coconut
So
bars.
we put a few in it that you know you eat strong.
Yes.
These one are the best ones, see.
Yeah.
Yes, man, these are the best ones to use.
So what are we just add? Are we just adding?
Piece of butter, we just put in. Just put in.
Okay.
Yes.
So what you peeling here now, Auntie?
Ripe plantain to
Right.
fry. The ripe plantain
Yes.
is our ripe plantain.
Okay.
So now, people them like the plantain when they overripe. And you know when the plantain overripe, you
Yes.
have to keep it at the pot longer for fry so you get dark. Them love it better than that.
Oh, they like when it fry, extra fry.
Yeah, but it takes ripe and the saggy and ugly.
Yes.
Them like it so.
See how she peel her plantain?
So watch me now. Science again.
Science again.
Don't be kind.
And you cut it big too.
Yes, man. After when it go into the pot, we don't want them. We don't want them. No, this not good. We don't want them. When them fry them.
Yes.
No, cause this plant is well ripe. You
Well
see?
ripe. Yes, I can see it. Yeah.
So you cut your plant like this to get this long, nice. See how you see it?
Yes.
You know, cut it too thin. Cause if you cut it too thin, when it fry and take them up, everybody just break up.
Yes. Yeah.
Some people cut their plant very small. I don't like it that way.
Yes, because you know, so when you fry plantain, you want to fry it and you serve plantain. You want
Yes,
good
make it
portion,
look pretty.
right?
Yes, and when you put it on the plate, it have a little length and them something there.
Yes.
See, so you give it like it's long cut with a slice it knife.
Yes.
And the knife what you're using is supposed to have a thin blade. You see how this thin?
Yeah.
So it will give you a nice cut. Is it pretty?
Yes. Look at that, guys.
Yeah.
That's a plantain.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
I make this boil on a little more simmer, you know?
pep it up.
Yes, man.
See that, guys? This one have a lot of season. Look at that, guys.
A boat you reach a Victoria plate down a flag. You know flag box?
Black box?
Yeah.
No.
The boat you land with the dumps. You see dumping them?
Ah, so
That's a
don't.
go, Mr. No.
Yes.
Woo! Planting. Right.
Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's the plantain she just put in the frying pan. Gosh. Yes. Okay, so that's the plantain frying up there. Yeah.
The ainana.
Ainana.
Yeah.
What you call it? The ainana?
Yeah, man.
Ah.
The rest of it. Ainana.
Man. Look at that,
Look,
guys.
look, you see the water? You see the water?
Clear.
Alright.
Clear.
Yes.
And if you didn't put the saltfish in
So
that,
that dark and rusty and ugly like this one. And then the banana them look weird.
yes.
And what we know?
See that? So she peel the banana. See? Look at that, guys. Look how she peel the banana. Easy. The skin just come off so easy. Yes, guys. So you know we're in the kitchen at Spice Is Rite, and we're showing you and taking you behind the scene of how they prepare the food, how they cook their food. Yeah, man. Ah. Look at this, guys. Babe?
See how this has go down?
Yeah.
That's them a cook.
Look at that, guys. Look at the plantain.
But me know I trouble them with the
How we get mashed up, right?
Yes,
We
yes.
use-
I mean just I interfere and then see the one there. She come with her. May I say I watch it again?
So, what are you doing now, Auntie?
Washing the rice.
Okay.
In the pot.
Okay.
I just said to me that the couple minutes to cook, simmer down.
Yes.
So everything combined together. The coconut bars that I put in, and the escalate and the thyme, the pepper, and the powder seasoning. So them need to boil.
Yes.
Come together first. Them
Okay.
boil now. Can look at them about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, this is what you have here.
Jerk chicken seasoned up.
Jerk chicken seasoned up.
Yes.
And this been seasoned up for how long?
This is a week and a half.
Week and a half.
Yeah, that one is week and a half.
Guys, look at this. The jerk chicken.
Yeah. Yeah.
This seasoned up over a week and a half.
Yes.
Oh, gosh.
And so we pack them out, but you know me put them in a sack. Watch me.
Yes.
Watch me.
So,
This
is it?
Watch me, you see? Put them and show you.
Alright, sir. Alright, yes.
Sack it them up. Nobody know, them not do it like that, but that's how me do it. Because
So you do it, yes.
Yeah, because you see when you do it like this, when them return,
Yes.
you don't have a problem. You're there and see.
Look at this. Wow.
See?
Wow. And this is the jerk chicken right here.
Yeah. Right? So you see how we set them?
Yes.
Set them. Sure.
All of the seasoning, all of the sauce and
Yes.
look at this. So this is the jerk chicken ready to go in the oven.
Jerk oven.
Jerk oven. Look at that, guys. Man, just come out the oven. So, jeez, look at this. You say you're gonna show me how you flip the chicken?
Yeah. That's why I tell us to sack it them.
Yes.
So I just do a thing like this.
Okay.
But now if you take up no 1, 1, 2, 2.
That's the way, but that's why you're okay.
Eh? See?
Yes. What? Man. So you're gonna put this in the oven for?
Yes, man. I'm gonna put it back in the oven and spin it the next side. I'm just fire.
Oh.
Not too thin and not too fast. I know everything lasts in the pot. See me?
Yeah, yes.
I eat that.
Because if you cut it too fine, it's gonna
melt in the pot.
Yes. And this is how you soup.
And this cook.
So this is how you just take out a pressure cooker, right?
Yeah, this is what I'm showing this morning.
So you wash off the banana now, make sure say it well washed.
Yes, wash off some of them chemical carry to no?
Yeah.
Let's go to the crop store.
Oh, you just add some more water to the soup?
Yes, man.
Okay. So what is now?
Pimento, allspice.
Look at that, guys. This is for Mannish water.
Yes, man. I want to know.
So right now you just season up the pot.
Yes, I put this seasoning if you want to boil. This is the ram goat seasoning then.
That time ram goat seasoning you're going to put in there?
Yes, see them there. You know.
Okay. And these are the last thing you're going to put in with your dumpling?
With the spinach.
Spinach.
Yeah.
Alright. They are stuck. Look at the pot, man. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, let me put some pumpkin puree nice with the dumpling.
So this is what now?
Now use it next spinach we put in the soup.
Yes.
The Mannish water. Yes, so
okay. Alright, so she make the spinach them. Look there, guys.
yeah, man. And that's so my bread drain.
Say some spinners.
Yeah.
So when you get a cup of soup, you know, say you have to have a dumpling in it, right?
Yeah, man, having your little spinach in it with a little slice of banana, you dice up carrot and chocho. You see me? Sweet potato, Irish potato, and whole heap of meat.
As well you can see your pressure this morning, your pressure cook this morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The goat belly, the goat head, the goat foot, the goat meat itself.
Yes. Yeah, man, so you know what's a source of water you get. You get all of the meat, all of the vegetables, and the spinach. Look at that, guys. Look at that. A real weird, real authentic way, not so?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, where are there, so?
Some pumpkin puree, pumpkin. I never put no pumpkin, because you know you already cut it, so I just put it in that eating.
Oh, so it's a pumpkin way, do you blend it up already?
Yes, man.
Okay.
Blend it up and thing and have it in the pan in the fridge.
Yes.
So I put that amount in there, we don't want more than that. Because if it was like beef soup, no.
Yes.
Put in more, but I go
put in more pumpkin if you make a beef soup?
Yes, man, your chicken soup.
Okay.
Like when I make this and the fish soup, the goose soup.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm ready?
Yeah, I don't want to burn. You see me?
Look at that, guys. See a jerk chicken ready. Look at that, guys. Oh.
When we come out to eat, we put on a little pan to keep it moist. When we put it back in the oven to keep it warm. We don't make it dry out. You see me?
Okay, okay.
Right. And then we put back this in here, so. Is it me? Yeah.
Oh, so you just put it back in the oven and leave it?
I make it here, they go and warm. That means they keep warm by serving. See me?
Oh,
that's
so
strength. So the time.
Time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Same time for this.
See, guys, just add in time. Soup.
Now cut out the scallion for the soup. As I tell you, me no put in the scallion water. Now beat it, but cut them up.
Okay, so just cut up it.
Yes.
Scallion for the soup. Yes. Look at that, guys. Look at the pot bubble up. Right? Look at the dumpling them a float up.
Yes. Now add pepper, country pepper, and more grounded crushed garlic.
So we are doing now?
A toss of salt.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wash out. Rinse out some of the seasoning. I can tell you that the blood soap we don't like.
Yes.
Because when the meat seasons so long, you always find
So this is is your fried chicken, right?
Yes, this is the fried chicken.
Oh, and you add your own seafood sauce on it. That color there. Yeah, add some egg in it.
Yes.
Oh gosh, look at that, guys. Wow. And then you have your own secret sauce where you put on it. To
Yes.
give it that color.
Yes.
And this is your fried chicken, guys. Yeah. Make sure so you're well stored that up. So all the season marinate down. Although you season it from overnight.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow, so you just add your meat on it now.
Yes.
Yes. Look here.
See?
Yeah.
I'm put in some more water.
Put some more water in it.
Yes, man, we are putting it up and we are putting the noodle there.
Oh. Wow. Look there, guys. So this is a Mannish water right here.
Yes, man. See?
So when you add your Mannish water, you know so you're going to get the meat, you know so you get the spinach, you
Everything
get all
you
of the
get.
vegetables. Wow.
So, wait till it start bubble up again. When it start bubble up again, you come up and check it and we'll mix up the
noodles and stuff in
yeah.
there. Look here, guys. Look here. Look at the meat. Look here. Look here.
I pepper me, I look for any pepper bad.
You say pepper, see it there?
Yeah, even though the people them like it.
Yeah, they like the pepper, but you
Yes.
still have to take it out.
Yeah.
So right now we go. A big pot of vegetables here, so look at this.
Yeah.
Steamed veg.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Yeah, man.
The water, that's it, not burn.
Okay. Oh, you just add some black pepper there.
Yes, also put a little black pepper in the stew.
Okay.
Because you know black pepper feed flavor different.
Yes.
See me I put it in the water.
So what you gonna put right up?
The rami goat noodle.
Package here. Look at that, guys. Let me see one of the package here. Oh, that's a rami goat soup.
Flavor.
So why you don't throw it out in the pot just like
No, when you throw it in the pot like that, it gets have a tendency to lump up.
Oh.
The noodle itself lump up.
Oh.
So you know you kind of suspend it in the water first.
Yes.
Suspend it in a little warm water. See? Storm.
Yeah, man. Look at that, guys.
When you drink one mug or one cup, you want two.
You want 2 more cups?
Yes, man.
Look at that, guys. Gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil.
Yes. A little tip of vegetable oil in it, see?
Just a tip of vegetable oil.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, guys. So the steamed vegetable soon finished.
Yes, man.
Okay.
A little more sauce on it. And I eat that.
Oh, so they strain out the saltfish.
Yeah, not to drain. Frying at the next few.
Okay.
I eat that. It's ready to serve.
So that's ready to serve.
Yes, so I'm gonna put this some of this outside.
Okay.
See how them pretty?
Yes.
And stringy.
Nice. It's a steamed veg.
Yeah. This time I go outside. Sit down now, brother, you can come to put the rest.
Ah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Man. So you know, say all of that well. Look. Oh gosh. Yeah, man. Wow. So you know, so the flavor from this and everything well cooked,
Yes.
well seasoned. You know, you get the real authentic.
Munga.
Yes guys, so you know, so we have to try soup. As you see, how she prepare it. You know, with our dumpling, the spinners, and then all of the goat meat, and you don't know, the goat head, the goat foot, and all of these stuff. Then you have all the vegetables them, which is, you know, your carrot, your chocho, and all of those other vegetables. Yeah man. Look there guys. Man, the real way, the real authentic way. So we do it a yard. Yes. So right now I'm gonna try the soup. Yeah man, flavor there man. Nice. Wow. Yes guys. Look at this. Goat meat here guys. Look. I'll show you this. See your spinners, that's your dumpling right there. And goat meat. Yes.
Where you look for? Oh, the meat fish?
Yeah man. Look at that guys. You don't know, you have a carrot, a chocho, you have the banana, yes. Yes guys, so yeah man. It's real good. Real good.
The pepper?
Right.
Pepper good. That's
Yes.
the right level.
Yes. Look at that guys. Oh gosh. Why you get them so golden brown? Look at that. Man, a fried chicken to look.
I just wanted the soap. Turn down the stove now.
Okay.
To
Make it go and soak down.
Yeah, especially the leg.
Okay. Yeah.
It's them
Nice and brown and pretty.
golden.
Nice,
pretty.
yeah, golden brown, yeah. Look here man, nice and juicy. Alright guys, so the fried chicken ready.
Yeah.
Yes guys, so I bring you in the kitchen showing you how Auntie Sybil cooking her meal, you know, and how she prepare her meal. And right now I'm gonna try the jerk chicken and the fried chicken and a little bit of the steamed veg. Yeah, yes guys. I you know say I have to sample it and tell you guys how it tastes. Yeah man. Alright here guys. Look at the jerk chicken. Hold on, let me show you the jerk chicken guys. Look at this. That's the jerk chicken right there. And then you have the fried chicken. Yeah man, and some steamed veg. Then so they have this season up for 1 week. A week and a half, Auntie.
Yeah, 2 weeks. 1 week, 2 weeks and a half, 2 weeks.
Wow. So guys, see jerk chicken?
Yes. Sometimes the chicken come in
Yes.
more in abundance.
Yes.
And then now we just take that time and use our season of everything.
It's season up all the chicken one time.
Yeah, 2 weeks we have season of chicken and so.
Wow. So
Yeah.
guys, so you know the chicken well marinated. Because if them season it up over a week or 2 weeks, oh gosh, look at this. And you can taste the flavor, the right amount of heat to it too, you know? Nice. And this, the jerk chicken, they do it in the oven. Yes, in the oven, not on the grill, in the oven. Which tastes real good. Oh gosh, so that's the saltfish right now?
Yeah.
See guys, look at the saltfish after it fried. Nice and brown and pretty. Wow. Wow. See, the fry now. Just fry some more here guys. Look at that. Yeah man. And all right, the food tastes so good. Flavor, the seasoning, all the seasoning. I don't know what kind of seasoning they put on it, but we can taste the seasoning just stand up in the chicken, just well seasoned. Nice and juicy. As you can see, look at that. Oh yes. Yeah man. Look at this. Yes, the spice is right. Now I'm gonna try the fried chicken. Yeah, the fried chicken seasoned over 2 days now, so you know, so the season will soak into the meat. All right, so now I'm gonna try my fried chicken.
1 week now, visit the fried chicken season.
1 week.
Yeah, the season from Sunday.
Wow. Yes, guys. Look at this fried chicken, nice and juicy, and you see well soaked, well fried. You know, inside the meat well soaked, the season.
I'm gonna season it up with the same long time season, the rinse it out.
Yes, yes, yes. Nice and juicy. Guys, I recommend trying the fried chicken when you come down here. And the jerk chicken tastes good. Nice, real good, guys. The flavor, the season, well seasoned. The flavor is right. The spice is right. So now I'm gonna try some of the steamed veg, guys. And the steamed veg is just based off cabbage, little bell pepper, and carrot, onion. Yes, mixed together. Just steam down for like probably what, 20 minutes or so, or less than that. You keep stirring it. Yes. See it there, guys. Nice. So if you don't feel for rice, you can get the steamed veg same way, and or your festival or anything on the side. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, so now go on, enjoy my food. I'll check in back in a bit. Alright. So yeah, do you prepare some chicken?
Yes, make me look a curry chicken and look for the chicken. You see it here?
Yes.
So you have to trim up the chicken, bread. You have to do all of them like a something. If you would like this, now you can come out and then after now you
yes.
bread, curry, we have a curry now. So move for something.
Yeah.
See me? So the curry.
Cut it up fine.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
So me use my hand, I can't go less than that. You say that's the same time I cut out my hand. But that's what I cut, let me tell you.
Yes.
You see me? And do this.
And you take the fat off of it, right?
Yes, man. And when I watch, I watch it in vinegar.
Yes.
When you go in vinegar?
Yes.
Every curry drop out.
That season up curry chicken.
Make some curry chicken because I run out of chicken. Because I have to do a double cooking yesterday. So what I did have season up finish, so I have to prepare a liquid and now. This is a sandwich. That's how we used to do all that.
Oh. So that guys, season up our curry chicken right now. Oh, you have some oil in the pot already.
Yes.
You burn the curry.
Yes, I put my curry and
Look at that. Put some time on it. Yeah. See that, guys? Some curry chicken. You must burn our curry. Curry chicken. Yeah, you put up your vegetables and we are cooking your curry chicken now.
Just have a seed of the curry chicken and I'm going to turn it.
add your vegetables now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Irish.
Yeah. Some curry chicken. That's why I come up with Irish.
Yeah.
Irish special. Too much cheese here before I cook, I'm gonna make it too soft.
Irish chicken, right?
Yes.
The Irish to it. Yeah, man. Look at that, guys. Wow. Alright. So, what you doing on to?
Now roll the festival there.
Yeah.
Tail like them after doing a hot oil, I rest them with crumble there.
Oh.
Yes, I'm here. Oil.
Look at that, guys. So how long these fry for Andy?
You 15-20 minutes.
15-20 minutes?
Yeah. Festival. Not take that long. See them a come up?
Yeah. See, that's festival right here, guys. Where they are fried, putting your fried dumpling on it.
Yes.
Oh god, so you know, you roll them and make them just like this.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, guys.
It's gonna start rising.
Yeah. It not take long to fry.
No. So everybody rise up.
Yeah.
And when they come up now, we just put in some to the bottom. When they come up.
Yeah. The dumpling and rice now, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Them see them change color.
Yeah, so much to dark to brown.
Golden brown.
Yeah, golden brown. So what you make here, Shanti?
Garnish fish.
Garnish for the fish?
Yes.
So you have there some carrot, bell pepper, hot pepper, pimento seed and garlic.
Yeah, the onion and the garlic like it.
Oh, so you don't put the onion here?
It lasts. Sometimes I boil up a little, then you throw the onion.
Oh, okay,
And
okay.
you know the onion needs to be...
Yes. And we here say you make a fried dumpling.
You see them there.
Look how them get brown now.
They come with themselves.
Yes, no man. And they make a fried dumpling. Hey, Santi. I always put a spoon of oil in here.
From what you use and cook your fish.
Yes.
Salt fish and your other fish.
Oh, so that the oil we use
Yes.
fry the saltfish.
Yes.
Look at that, guys. So she just making the sauce for the fried
The pickle
fish.
for the fish, any one of the fish. The salt fish, the fried fish. So we have
Wait, what do you call it?
escabeche.
Escabeche?
Escabeche pickle.
Pickle.
We back here we call it the pickle. But when we them say escabeche. That's it. So it's when you over with it.
Look at that, man. Look at that, auntie. Look good, man.
Oh.
Finish now, auntie.
Yay.
Look at that, guys. Wow. Yeah. Yes. Wow. Nice and good and pretty. Look here, man.
That kind of chip off.
Yeah. So make it go on straight now.
Yeah, I have to go send some outside.
to your famous jerk chicken.
I eat this, you know, my brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the people in my rush thing, man.
So-
They look funny.
Yeah.
Nice and nice, juicy and nice.
Yes.
All of them around come for this.
So, what do you think are the most selling food you have here so, in the store?
You know, so this is number one.
Fried chicken,
Followed by
jerk
oxtail.
chicken.
Jerk chicken. Followed by oxtail.
Yes.
Followed by curry goat.
Yes.
Then we go down in the escabie fish and then we get the steamed fish. You know?
So,
Yeah, man.
what you tell the people about this, who they are watching now? Where they come?
Everyone come and spices right.
Yes.
The real authentic thing you get yourself.
And which part of it?
2179 Lawrence Avenue East in Scarborough. That are Birchmouth and Lawrence people.
Alright. Yes guys, so you know we come to the final of the video. I will show you and we bring you inside the kitchen of how they prepare their food. You know? So if you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, and make sure so you don't just come down here so and try out the food. And the jerk chicken bad. Fried chicken nice. And the soup nice. Cause I try it and I can testify say yeah, the food good. So make sure say you go and subscribe and come down here, come check them out. But I'm gonna leave the address and them info in the description. So bless up. Alright. Yeah man.